Alright, so what's good, people? Appreciate you guys tuning in once again. In today's video, we're gonna get into IS300 once again. I know y'all want Civic content, but I think y'all fucking with this too. In today's video, something more exciting other than, you know, wrap color, whatever. You know, wrapping process gets a little boring, I guess, but we're gonna do a full catback exhaust for the IS300 finally, because this thing is way too quiet. I'm gonna insert a cold start right here. Way too quiet, so we definitely need to change that. And we're gonna add some little rumble to this. We're gonna do full catback exhaust from Flash Shark Racing. Once again, big shout out to them. Use my code restless right here for 15% off on their site. Big shout out to them. Did also just add these window visors, and then I wrapped the pillars chrome. I think it looks pretty sick. Matches the chrome wheels, the chrome handles. I want to get chrome grill. I need to get some new headlights, but yeah, just giving you guys an update on what I've done after we wrapped it, because I ain't gonna lie, kind of haven't filmed in a little bit, so kind of excited to get back into it on something more fun. Like I said, an exhaust. I haven't installed an exhaust in a minute, so especially on this car, and even on my red one, I never installed an exhaust. I had just a full straight pipe on the red one, but yeah, I'm super excited. So let me show y'all. Let's get into it. We're not gonna waste time. Let's get it. That's a full exhaust laid out exactly how it's gonna go from, I believe, the stock Y pipe. It comes with a resonator, flows straight to the muffler. It's this style on the muffler, which is kind of cool. I've never installed an exhaust with this style. It's like a clamp, so that's pretty dope. Comes with all new hardware. You don't have to worry about that. New gaskets, and then all the hangers are there as well. I assume we gotta reuse the stock rubber hangers, which is all good. They might be a pain to take off, but nothing too crazy. But dude, from looking at it right now, it looks pretty fucking sick in my opinion. I think it looks so dope compared to the stock exhaust, because we'll do a side-by-side after. I'll show you guys a stock one once we get it off, but y'all really can't see, but we gotta get jacked up with this car. But this thing is super quiet, like I showed you guys. And dude, this thing is shining. Who doesn't like shiny new stuff? Shit, I do. This thing looks so dope. I can't wait to fucking hear it turn on for the first time. So let's cut to the chase. Let's jack up the car. Car all jacked up. We can finally see underneath this thing, and look at this crusty stock exhaust. We don't want that, so we're gonna be replacing that with that new shiny stuff. So shouldn't be too difficult. Looks like a couple 14s, a couple hangers, but then again, I'm not gonna jinx myself, because everything easy never is easy, especially with cars. So yeah, we got jacked up a good amount. Make sure you use jack stands. Please use jack stands. Got both jacks on each side for safety. Might throw a tire underneath just in case. But yeah, let's do it. Let's get it. Dude, this car is not even that old. Well, 2005, but these freaking bolts are kind of rusty and kind of crusty, and they're kind of hard to take off. Fuck. Always something, right? As long as we get it, we good. I ain't gonna lie, I barely jacked the car up enough, but I was able to get these off. It's freaking tight in here, but we got it off. This position I'm in is crazy. Oh shit, fuck it though. We got the mid pipe already off. Got one more bolt right there, comes right off, then the muffler, and that's it. Hangers is what I'm not looking forward to, I ain't gonna lie. Expect for the stock resonator to be this small, so compared to the new resonator on the new exhaust, this thing is pretty damn big. So yeah, we got the mid pipe off. Now it's just the muffler. It's literally all it is. I'm just a little worried about the hangers, but let's struggle with them, because if you guys know anything about freaking exhaust, hangers suck. Good thing new exhaust comes with all new hardware, so I'm excited for that. After a lot of fighting with those first hangers, we got them off, and now I just remove the muffler. So let's get it. I really need to get me one of those what's it call it, the hanger clamps or pliers or whatever. Chris Borges be using them in his videos all the time. That'd be making it a heck of a lot easier. So let's just get the muffler off. After about like 30 minutes of haggling with this old, crusty, dusty, musty, old exhaust, we got it off. and this is a side-by-side comparison of the new Flat Shark full catback and the stock exhaust. Which one would you choose? I choose this one, obviously. Way more lighter. I ain't gonna lie, I'm out of breath. Dude, I'm out of breath, but way lighter. It's gonna sound way better, less restrictive, and it looks a lot better. Like, bro, who wants that ugly thing? Anyways, time to install and just do it all over again. It's looking in a couple hours, but just so y'all know, if y'all trying to run this exhaust, stock Y pipe won't work. I made it work by grinding it. There's like a little flange that won't let it fit, so I ended up cutting it off and made it work. Came back to it, grinded it flat, and added some muffler seal. That way it works, so it should be good. So let's continue and install the rest of it so we can actually fucking finally hear it. Alright, so we finished installing the exhaust. I ain't gonna lie, I got a little late, but just because I had other things to do. We ended up clearing the Y pipe. I had to grind it down. If you guys have an IS300, you know what I'm talking about. There's like a little flange that sticks out, and it's not flat, so I would recommend, if you're getting this exhaust or any exhaust, for that fact, if it's not 3-inch, make sure to get a aftermarket Y pipe. A lot of people go Megan Racing, so I'm gonna end up getting one of those and headers. But yeah, we're gonna do the first start in a little bit. I did put some muffler seal, that way it seals, so I'm gonna give it like an hour to fully harden and dry and stuff. So, and then we'll get the first cold start. So let's get it. Super excited, came out sick. All right, so as y'all seen, we finished up the exhaust. Now we're gonna get the first cold start, so let's get it. Alright, as y'all can see, we got the IS right behind us. We finished installing the exhaust. Dude, it sounds pretty freaking good. We still got all the cats. We just replaced the resonator, and we got a muffler now. But just with that, it sounds so much better. It actually has a tone to it, not like stock, because this thing was way too quiet. On idle, it's pretty damn quiet. You can hear it a little bit, but it isn't anything crazy. But it's time to get some sound clips. We're gonna get some bass line just revving, and then probably just a little drive, a little flyby, nothing too crazy. That's my first time hitting rev limiter in this IS300 in the red one. I used to hit that shit all the time, so it's a little nerve-wracking because I've never done it on this car, but it sounds super good. Not too loud, but we definitely gonna do the headers next, like I said. Later in this video, we'll probably get a little bit of flybys, you know, so you guys can actually hear how the car sounds under load, but dude, it sounds pretty good. Way better than the stock. Of course, anything's better than stock in my opinion. You know, I like them loud cars. I'm pretty sure you guys watching like them too, but yeah, it sounds pretty good. The car is looking good. We also installed those visors, like I said, and then the chrome pillars. We're probably gonna get some new wheels soon, fix this fitment, and do the full clears, take out those red. But yeah, car looks pretty fucking good. I'll get you guys some in-car driving footage right now, so let's get it. We just ran into another IS350, and me and him, you know, he revved it. He had, you know, that Toyota rev limiter, like I showed y'all just now in the last clip. And you know, I hit that rev limiter too, but I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. So yeah, big L. That's why my content's ass. But let's see what we get into in Chinatown right now. We're about to go get some ice cream. Stop playing, but slapping.
I got a Korean hot dog, half mozzarella and half hot dog. Wait, what is it called?
I don't know why she talk like that, but dang, got the Lexus. Stop playing. That motherfucker clean.
Yeah,
We just gotta do the full clears, make the rear. We need to get the fitment right. Anybody selling me some wheels for a decent price, don't hold the tags, bro. Let me know. Right now it looks black.
I promise it's
car looks black, but looks sick though. Shit, no matter how I be feeling about the city, bro, it's just still beautiful. You got the Sphere over there, all the casinos, the high roller, bro. I ain't gonna lie, ain't nothing like the city life, that's for sure. So yeah, we about to give you all a little sound of the motherfucking exhaust in the tunnel. It's not that loud. We definitely gotta get headers, but just to finish the video off or whatnot, we gonna blast the tunnel. It's not that loud, I ain't gonna lie, but oh, damn!
Damn, you hit my head.
Slap though, I ain't gonna lie. Shit sounds good. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because if not, this was for nothing, and gas isn't cheap. So yeah.
Why would you get in the middle lane? You know this one always has bumps.
That's just trash. So yeah, we definitely gotta get some headers on this thing. It's not as loud as I want it. So we gotta go headers, and then we're gonna keep the stock white pipe, just because I don't want it to be super raspy. And then we got the catback exhaust, and then we'll probably do glass pipes. And I think that's gonna be the method, right? I know my content hasn't been so entertaining lately, but that's all gonna change soon. I know y'all wanna see the Civic. Civic's just been rotting away, I ain't gonna lie. But it's still around. I didn't sell it yet. We're gonna bring a lot more content, a lot more people, you know, in the videos or whatnot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, more content coming soon. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. Let me know if you guys fucking with the IS300. Honestly, I've been loving this thing. Oh yeah, we also changed I had like some green LEDs from the previous owner. We went white. And yeah, I'm gonna get a mic soon. That way, you know, got better content. But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys stay tuned in. Appreciate you guys for watching, bro. A lot of y'all been loyal supporters and shit like that. So I appreciate you guys for real, for real.